students. Today we are going to see basic concepts in surveying and leveling. The basic principle of surveying is nothing but it's an art of determining the relative position of points either on the earth surface or above the earth surface or beneath the earth surface. This is the basic definition of an survey. Next, moving on to the principle. The first principle of surveying is location of a new point. That is, on the topography of the earth surface we are going to locate a new point. With the reference of either linear measurement or angular measurement, we are going to locate a new point on the topography of the earth surface. And the next principle of surveying is working from whole to the part. Working from whole to the part is nothing but while measuring the area, we are going to divide it into a method called triangulation. By the principle of triangulation, we are going to measure the area. For what purpose we are going to determine the area in terms of triangulation means in order to avoid the accumulation of errors in the area or any measurements, we are going to determine or use the method called triangulation while measuring the area. That comes under the working from whole to the part. We are not going to measure the complete area by dividing the area into a triangulations, primary, secondary and tertiary triangulations. We are going to measure the complete area, and that comes under the principle of surveying too. The basic principle is location of a new point, and the second one is working from the whole to the part. Moving on to the classification of surveying. The primary classification of surveying is plane surveying and geodetic surveying. Plane surveying is nothing but when the curvature of earth surface is not considered, it comes under the plane surveying. When curvature of earth surface effect is considered means it comes under the geodetic surveying. Till 260 kilometers square, the surface of the earth is considered to be in a planar form. It comes under the plane surveying. If the curvature of the earth is considered means it comes under the geodetic surveying. These are the basic classifications of surveying. Then moving on to leveling and its definition. Leveling is nothing but we are going to determine the relative elevations of points on the earth surface. The measurements are carried out in a vertical planar manner. Leveling is nothing but relative elevations of points. We are going to determine the relative elevations of points on the earth surface. The measurements are carried out in a vertical manner. And the common terminologies in the leveling are benchmark, backside, foresight and intermediate site. The first one is benchmark. Benchmark is nothing but while doing leveling, we are going to consider as a reference point. Whenever the point of known elevation is taken, it is considered as a benchmark. Benchmark is nothing but a reference point of known elevation. Any point we are going to take or considered as a reference means its elevations must be known. Then it comes under the benchmark. Second one is backside. Backside is nothing but the first reading. After setting the dumpy level equipment on the earth surface, we are going to take a first reading on the known elevation. That comes under the BS. Third one is foresight. Foresight is nothing but the last reading taken on the unknown elevations. Unknown elevations we are going to determine the elevations by either sort outing by rise and fall method or height of collimation method. We are going to determine the height of the particular point. And the fourth point is intermediate site. The points which lies between the foresight and the backside readings comes under the intermediate site. There are two methods available for sort outing the leveling. They are, first one is rise and fall method, second one is height of collimation method or height of instrumentation method. Thank you guys. The methods we are going to use in leveling are height of collimation and height of instrument method. The arithmetic check available for height of collimation or height of instrument are summation BS difference, summation FS is equal to first RL difference, last RL. FS and BS is nothing but backside reading and the foresight reading. RL is nothing but the reduced level. Second method is the rise and fall method. The arithmetic check are summation BS difference, summation FS equal to summation rise difference, summation fall equal to first RL difference, last RL. When the LHS and RHS are equal, the leveling is verified and appropriately taken or considered. Thank you guys.